My friend gave me this watch. It has a broken glass and it is full of dirt. He wants to challenge me to fix it. I accepted his challenge and brought the watch to home with me. After removing the bag, I started removing dust. I removed the top glass and started removing more parts. I removed the broken glass piece and gave them a good clean. Then I polished the top and added the new glass. I reassembled the gear's mechanism. With some testing and a new build, this Tissot watch was ready to go again.